Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can set up a simple subscription product in Woocommerce. So let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins and then Add New. Now, in the search bar, type Woocommerce Subscriptions. Install and activate the Woocommerce Subscriptions plugin. It's the official plugin for adding subscription products to your store. Once it's activated, go to Products and then Add New to create a new product. Give your product a name like Monthly Membership or Weekly Coffee Box. Now scroll down to the Product Data section. From the drop-down, change the product type from Simple Product to Simple Subscription. Here, you'll see new fields appear. You can now set your subscription price, billing interval, and period. For example, you can charge $10 every month or $50 every 6 months, depending on your business. You can also choose if you want to offer a free trial, sign-up fee, or limit the subscription length like ending after 12 months. Next, add your product description, images, and select a category just like any normal product. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your simple subscription product is now live. Customers can visit your site, subscribe to your product, and Woocommerce will automatically handle recurring payments. And that's it now. You know how to set up a simple subscription product in Woocommerce quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.